Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. It's lesson 4 about the cell structure. As we have discussed earlier that cell is the basic structure and functional unit of the body of the living organism. And each cell has the following parts. It has the cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, cell organelles. These are the common structures that are present inside the eukaryotic cell. And with some exceptionals, for example, the cell wall. It is the outermost covering that is present in the plant cell and in the fungus cell above the cell membrane. In plant cell, it is made up of the chemical substance called the cellulose, and in the fungus, it is made up of chitin. It is absent in animal cells and it gives shape to the cell and it provides protection to the cell, and it helps in exchange of material between cell and its surrounding. Actually, it is permeable. It will allow all the kind of substances to pass through it. Next is the cell membrane. It is the outermost covering in animal cell and uh, inner to the cell wall on the plant cell. It is made up of protein and lipids and small amount of carbohydrates also. It helps in the transport of material from inside to outside and vice versa. It means that it is semi-permeable membrane. It also maintains the shape of the cell. You can see in the diagram what is the composition or the structure of the cell membrane. Next is the protoplasm. The whole material of the cell present within the cell membrane, including the cytoplasm and nuclear material, is called the protoplasm. It is actually the living matter of the cell, the living content of the cell. You can see in the diagram that it is made up of the cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm. So what is cytoplasm? It is the major component of protoplasm of the cell. It is made up of the water and different types of dissolved and undissolved substances. It also contains all kind of cell organelles. And cytoplasm is the main area of biochemical reactions of the cell. It is present between the cell membrane and nucleus. Now, what is the nucleus? It is a major organelle of the cell and it is present in the center of the animal cell and on the side of the plant cell due to the large size of vacuole. A nucleus is made up of nuclear material and it is surrounded by the double nuclear membrane having small openings called the nuclear pores for expanding of material between the nucleus and or cytoplasm or exporting the material. It controls all the activities of the cell. It has many roles. It contains the genetic material and it helps in the cell division. You can see in the diagram that it has the nuclear pores. It has a double membrane that is called the nuclear envelope. It has the matrix in it that is called the nucleoplasm, and then it has the genetic material in it. The cell organelles, these are the parts of the cell. The subcellular contents are called the cell organelles. For example, the mitochondria, it is an important cell uh, organelle found in all kind of animal and plant cells. It is present in cytoplasm and it is double membrane bounded organelle, and outer membrane is smooth and inner membrane has many foldings called the crista. It also contains a liquid material called the mitochondrial matrix, and it provides energy to the cell. So it is also called the powerhouse of the cell. This is the battery of the cell. You can see the diagram. It has double membrane, and the inner membrane has the foldings, and the inner matrix is also present over there. The vacuole, it is a single membrane bounded organelle present in the cell, and it is pouch of different shapes and it is used for the storage purposes. In plant cell, a large vacuole is present, whereas in animal cell, many small vacuoles are present. Golgi bodies, these are made up of tubular plates and which overlap each other. They are involved in synthesis of various material and also for excretion of the material. You can see in the diagram, these are tube-like structures. Centrioles, These are only present in animal cell and present in cytoplasm on the surface of the nucleus, and they are involved in the cell division process. And the chloroplasts found only in plant cell, double membrane bounded organelle which contain the green coloring material chlorophyll found in the plant leaves. Actually, this is the chlorophyll which impart green color to the plants, and it helps in food preparation by the photosynthesis in presence of sunlight, and it also gives color to the plant, green color to the plant. Actually, it is responsible for, you can say, converting the light energy or solar energy to the chemical energy, the chlorophyll that is present in the chloroplast. You can see the diagram, the structure of the chloroplast is there, and the green color is due to the chlorophyll. Now, what are the differences and similarities between the animal and plant cell? When we talk about the similarities, both have the nucleus, both have the cytoplasm, plasma membrane, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and ribosomes. But differences are also there. Animal cells have, they do not have the fixed shape. Plant cells have the fixed shape, and the animal cell do not have the cell wall. Plant cell has the cell wall. Animal cell do not have the vacuoles and small vacuoles. No large vacuole is present. They have small vacuoles, and sometimes they are also called the lysosomes. Whereas in plant cell, they have the large vacuoles. Animal cell do not have the chloroplast. Plant cell has the chloroplast. Animal cell has reserved food material called glycogen, whereas starch is present in plant cell. Animal cell has centrioles, and plant cell has do not have the centriole.